This is Naveed Ahmed Khan and you're watching Checkout Tech. If you're planning to upgrade your iPhone 8 or below 8 any iPhone version, considering iPhone XR in 2019 is a good choice or not. First of all guys, if you are coming from any iPhone below iPhone 10 and have bezels, you will find a noticeable changes in iPhone XR. If we talk about the design of iPhone XR, it comes with a aluminium chassis and glass at front and back. And at the front there is 6.1-inch liquid retina display which looks very beautiful. And guys, it is not like the AMOLED display on other iPhones, but still this is one of the best LCD panel in the market right now, and it looks very beautiful, vibrant. And guys, you are not going to find any difference in the display except if you compare it with the other iPhones on one table. And guys, if you are coming from older iPhones, this display is far more better than those iPhones. And the bezels on this device are slightly bigger than other iPhones, and this is not a big issue, you will get used to it. And if we talk about the camera performance of the device, at front it comes with a 7 megapixel selfie camera which shoot video at 1080 pixels at 60 frames per second and sport HDR for taking better selfies and videos. And at the back the phone comes with a 12 megapixel wide camera which shoots pretty good photos and videos. And guys, the phone is packed with the A12 Bionic chip with 3GB of RAM and a almost 3000 mAh battery, which will last you at least one whole day. And guys, the phone have all the latest and greatest features like Face ID, and the performance is up to the mark. And if you play games, you will never regret if you buy this phone. And guys, iPhone XR is coming at a price rate of $600, which is a very solid deal for this smartphone. And guys, if you want a better camera performance, you can buy iPhone 11 for just $200 extra. And here is my conclusion, guy. If you have a tight budget, go for iPhone XR, it will never upset you. And if you can spend $200 extra, go for iPhone 11 and you will get a better camera performance and a slightly better processor, A13 Bionic chip. Tell me in the comment section guys, what are your thoughts on iPhone XR? And if you like the video, like this video, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we will keep you updated.